we are discuss about the introductions of computer aided design and manufacturing process. First of all, the product cycle. This product cycle is most important into the industries, factories or anywhere. Product cycle is must is improving the mass production and build up the production areas planner. This also used in the product cycle. Introductions, growth, the maturity blind, the most sales and times. The time is going on, the stages will participated into the number of counting. The typical product cycle, there are two method following this method. The first of all, one the CAD process, another one is the CAM process. The CAD process means computer aided design. The used full of in design process in the diagram will draw the example into one part of the diagram is concluded into the solid modeling or the 2D dimensional CAD AutoCAD diagrams is the top view, front view. This also design needs, design definitions, specifications of requirement, collecting relevant design information and feasibilities, the design documentations and communications, design evaluate, design optimization, design analysis, design modeling and simulations, design conceptualizations. These are the synthesis of the CAD process. This designing process in first one. The another one is manufacturing process. That is also CAM process. This progress fully followed into the workshop method. The process planning is backbone of the process, like this CAM process. The production planning, design and productions of new tool, order material, NC numerical control, CNC computer numerical control, direct numerical control programming is operating the system in machines. The another one is productions, the converted into the raw material is number of counting in mass production is called as machining process. The quality control, the check material whether about the shop floor production is completed, the material is how to quality and a visual inspection. The various inspection method is called as quality. The packing, another words, the quality also checking is completed, the quality is over, then the packing, the proper material is proper packages into the precaution of some boxes is also packing. The another one is shipping. The shipping is transferred into the customer one to another places. The industries is going on out packages, out packages is converted into the salesman, another the customers is buying the materials. The marketing means the one particular materials is marketing. This also is typical product cycle. Design process, the types of problem identifications a design need. First of all, defect, what are the defect in the diagrams, the bad conditions, need for solution, market needs, design criteria, future numbers, size, weight.
If you're preparing for IELTS, we're here to help. We've got video.
Size, weight, price. Problem identification, list problem requirements, write problem statement. The fishbone diagram also concluded that a write problem statement, quality control, list the problem, list limitations, sketch, gather data, sketches. This also following the traditional design methods only. Recognize of needs, definitions of problem, synthesis, analysis and optimization, evaluation. The problem evaluating method is most important in the design process. The presentation, the final resource of document presentation in anywhere, every time. Computer aided designs. The traditional design is concluded recognitions of need, definitions, synthesis, analysis and optimization, evaluation, representation, same method. And aided process is geometric modeling, 2D or 3D representations, the surface planning, line model, surface model, volume model. The concluded in the geometric modeling. One of the diagram is most a perfect view in all the time is draw the solid or computer aided 2D dimensional representations. Construct geometry solid modeling is CSG method is used in the engineering analysis, design review and evaluate, computer aided drafting. Computer aided design, geometric modeling, engineer analysis, design review, evaluations. Design review evaluation. Different between the sequential engineer and concurrent engineer. The sequential engineer is following the small scale industries. Concurrent engineer is the one of the standard companies only used the formulas. Zigzag method in sequential engineers. The concurrent engineer is only going on upward direction is production or improvement any CAD system architecture. Application of software. The application software is CAD. Graphics utility. The utility means the side toolbar in main menu or new toolbar is created. Device driver. Device driver means hard driver in the hard disk is OS, operating systems,
If you're preparing
database
for IELTS,
management.
we're here to help. We've got video.
Database management, this all are the device driver. Input output means command used the input output use interface database CAD model. The created one folder is called as database. CAD model is working data, geometry, drawing, standards, library and component of model manufacturing. CAD system architecture data. The new this first one is concluded in the basic method. The another one is new method of architecture. Model definition, manipulation, picture generation, utility, database, magneted applications, input output uses. The data is database, working data, component models, geometry, drawing, standard, library data, association data, manufacturing. CAD system architecture briefly explain this one. Computer graphics, another one is geometric transformation. Translation. The translation means the images one place to another places. Translation is perfectly involve the moving or element from one location to another. Rotation used to created entities arrangement, circular arrays. Scaling, it alter the size of object. A reflection used to mirror the object. Shear, this transformation casts the images. Translation, geometric transformation images is geometric modeling is used to the problem solving is only homogeneous or 2D transformation function rotation geometries fully used in the matrices. Scaling geometry, after scaling point, shading geometry transformations, reflection geometry transformations. Homogeneous coordination function, 2D or 3D is translation. The transformation is in the form of vector additions. Other transformations are in the form of multiplications. Homogeneous transformation functions is solved in matrix xy directions and shearing, scaling, rotationing, translationing, reflection, mirror, shear, inversion transformations, also inversion translation, rotation, scaling method. These three types methods solving the all 2D and transformation, scaling, zooming, weaving point also.